It is crunch time in the 2024 T20 World Cup. It is the semi-finals and it is India versus England. It does not get bigger than this. 2022 में इंग्लैंड ने इंडिया को T20 वर्ल्ड कप के सेमीफाइनल में एडलेड में 10 विकेट से हराया था. वो चोट अभी भी भारत के खिलाड़ियों के दिल में है. Will India take revenge for what happened down under 2 years ago? क्या भारत डिफेंडिंग चैंपियंस को शिकस्त देगा गयाना में? India will clash with England in the second semi-final of the 2024 T20 World Cup in Providence in Guyana on Thursday, the 27th of June. भारत अब तक एक भी मैच नहीं हारा है इस प्रतियोगिता में और बेहतरीन फॉर्म में है. England has not been at its best but somehow managed to scrape through to the semis. They were beaten by Australia in the group stage and also lost to South Africa in the Super 8. The Guyana National Stadium at Providence in Guyana has hosted 5 matches in the tournament with the team batting first, winning 3 matches. But फिर भी जिस कैप्टन ने टॉस जीता है उन्होंने 4 बार चेस करने का फैसला किया है. The probability of winning the match after winning the toss at Guyana is 60%. यहाँ पे average score batting first in the tournament is 146 for 7, while the average score chasing is just 77 for 8. The Guyana National Stadium has the best bowling strike rate of 14.2 amongst all venues in the 2024 World Cup. Will assess seamers and spinners both, while the Pacers have picked 63.4% of the wickets at a brilliant average of 14.7 and economy of 6.4. Spinners ने भी Guyana में अच्छा किया है with an average of 14.5 and economy of 5.5. The weather does not look very promising though for Thursday. There's a 70% chance of rain in Guyana. It will be interesting to see if India makes any changes to their winning combination and if they play an extra seamer in Siraj given the helpful conditions for pacers in Guyana. It is unlikely though as they would not want to break the momentum and Kuldeep has been in fine form. England might also make one change. They may rope in Mark Wood for his extra pace. Moeen Ali शायद बाहर बैठेंगे. India and England have had a neck-to-neck battle in T20I cricket. India has the edge and have won 12 encounters, जबकि England ने 11 मैचेस जीते हैं. T20 World Cups में rivalry is tied at 2-2. Rohit Sharma smashed one of the greatest innings in T20 World Cup history against Australia and will be key for India at the top of the order. Rohit has a fine record in T20 World Cups. Jasprit Bumrah is in red-hot form with the new ball and could be devastating on a pace-friendly wicket at Guyana. Bumrah का T20 World Cup में अच्छा रिकॉर्ड है. Harry Brook has been in fine form in the tournament and scored 120 runs in 3 matches. He has had a great beginning to his T20I career with an aggregate of 682 runs at an average of 31 and strike rate of close to 147. Jofra Archer's ability to extract extra bounce of a good length will make him a very awkward customer, especially in bowler-friendly conditions in Guyana. उनका economy rate भी अच्छा है in T20Is. Rohit Sharma has dominated Chris Jordan and this will be a crucial battle in the power play. Virat Kohli versus Adil Rashid will be the big clash of the middle overs. Kohli has not been in good form in the tournament but raises his performance in the big matches. Kohli leg spinners के विरुद्ध थोड़ा धीरे हो जाते हैं तो देखना होगा वो रशीद को अटैक करते हैं कि नहीं. Bumrah has been Butler's nemesis in T20Is and this will be a significant clash in England's batting power play. Sky has the best strike rate in T20I cricket history and his 360-degree play makes him a potential match winner for India. Sky's ability to hit boundaries behind square makes him a very difficult batter to bowl to. He was the player of the match against Afghanistan and has been in good form in this World Cup. Ravindra Jadeja has struggled with the ball in this tournament and could be the avoid pick for India. उनकी बैटिंग भी कोई ज़्यादा अच्छी नहीं रही. Jos Buttler will be the hot pick for England. He's rated as amongst the finest white ball batters in history और इनका बढ़िया रिकॉर्ड भी है T20 World Cups में. Liam Livingstone खराब फॉर्म में थे in the 2024 IPL and is the avoid pick for England. Livingstone ने ऑस्ट्रेलिया और नमीबिया के साथ भी कुछ खास नहीं किया इस प्रतियोगिता में. This is a grudge match for India. They have not forgotten Adelaide 2022. Both the teams have a very strong batting lineup, but India की bowling stronger है. बारिश की काफी संभावना है, इसलिए मैच काफी unpredictable होने वाला है. Based on the relative strength of both the teams, India start marginal favourites with a 55 chance of victory. Bumrah is in great form and will be a fine choice for captain. Harry Brook will be a good option for vice captain. And finally, ये है हमारी Fantasy 11 for the India versus England encounter. We have 6 players from India and 5 from England. Kohli is not part of our Fantasy 11. वो अच्छे फॉर्म में नहीं हैं और उनको नहीं लेने से काफी पॉइंट्स बचेंगे. Rohit and Butler will open the innings of our team, while Bairstow, Sky and Brook will be part of the middle order. The new ball will be shared by Bumrah and Jordan, while Kuldeep and Aksar will control the middle overs. Our backup players include Kohli as batter, Mohammad Siraj as bowler, and Moeen Ali as an all-rounder.